guitar.com, and this is How to Play Courage by the Tragically Hip, especially for Chris Sweetman. If you haven't already, go ahead and download the chart. Everything I say is going to make a lot more sense if you're looking at that. Let's start with the intro, nice and dramatic, but much easier than it sounds. You're going to play a G chord with your middle finger on the 6th string 3rd fret, let it lean over and mute the 5th string, and then play the 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd strings open. If you don't hit the 2nd string, that's fine. We're playing it like that. Try not to hit the 1st string, because that's a G, not G6, and that sounds silly. Next, we're going to play the A chord with our 1st finger on the 2nd fret, 4, 3, 2 strings. To get the rhythm, get a nice steady down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's kind of a shuffle feel. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So you're going to play that. You're going to anticipate the A on the and of 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So we're going to play the G on the down of 4 and the A on the up. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, here's what I call lick A. If you want to, refer to the tab on the bottom of the page. So, G, A. Now on the A chord, you're just going to play 4, 3, and then open on the upstroke. Open again on the 4th string, and then you're going to play 2 and 4. 2nd finger goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Ring finger goes on the 4th finger. Ring finger goes on the 4th string, 4th fret. And then do the intro again. Now if you watch the play-along video, what I tend to do is just kind of incorporate that into the strumming. So you just keep the right hand strumming, go down, up, down, up, down. I'll slow it down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And so what you're doing is you're kind of shortening up your stroke so you're only hitting the middle strings. You don't always hit it accurately, but it gives a nice driving rhythmic feel. Since you don't have drums, it adds to the song. When we start into the verse, we're going to do a palm mute, taking this part of your hand and laying it on the strings lightly, playing an A chord instead of an E chord, keeping that same down, up, down, that nice shuffle rhythm going. Watch the band through a bunch of dances. Then you're going to play a C major 7 G bass. Sounds really complicated, doesn't it? Not so much. 1st finger hangs. Your middle finger is going to play the 4th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger plays the 6th string, 3rd fret, that's your G bass. And then your pinky plays the 5th string and the 3rd fret. Play all 6 strings. On the verse, when you're playing a G chord, go to the regular G chord. 1st finger hangs, middle finger plays 5th string, 2nd fret. Ring finger plays the 6th string, 3rd fret, and your pinky plays the high E, the 1st string on the 3rd fret. For the D sus, all we're going to do is leave out your middle finger. So it's just 1st finger. Actually, sometimes I'll switch it around and play with the middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and the ring finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. But if you want to just play regular D and flip off the audience, that's okay. In the chorus, you're right back to the regular G chord, and a G with an F in the bass. You just pick up your ring finger, move your middle finger over to the 6th string, 2nd fret, again letting it mute that 5th string, then a D chord, and next what I call lick B. You're just going to take your ring finger, so ring finger, 5th string, 4th fret, open, 4th string. So if you want to lay down your 1st finger on the A chord, play the last note of the lick, and then the A chord. Remember to keep your right hand moving up and down in a strict rhythm while you're playing the licks. So, courage, power. So you're going to hit the A on an up stroke. Chris, those are the basic elements that you need to play Courage. However, let me make a couple of textural suggestions. When you get to the end of the first chorus, courage, it couldn't come at a worse time. Definitely hold it out for 8 beats there. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. There's no simple, just kind of count and hold the chord, explanation for anything important. Get the lyrics right. Any of us do. Add lick A in right there. And now just a little bit of picking on top of that. Yes, the human tragedy consisted the necessity. Now go back to that palm mute of living nice and soft. A little louder with the consequences. A little more louder. Under pressure. Let it go. Under pressure. Courage, my word. And that'll carry through. Just do the second chorus the same way you did the first. When you get down to the ending part, I kind of cobble it together listening to the original. You play through the chord progression several times, throwing in It Couldn't Come at a Worse Time and Courage on occasion. At the very end, you're not going to finish it. You're going to hit the G major 7, G, and you're going to, when you get to the G, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, you're going to close out with the intro. Half of the intro. Don't forget to check below the video for a link to the chord chart, a play-along video, as well as other songs that you might like. Below that, there's a box for questions. If I left anything out of this video, please feel free to ask. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Courage by the Tragically Hip, as specially requested by Chris Sweetman. Thank you for watching.